Good to go.
We are opening. Go ahead, Mike. I'll let you do the honors.
Go for it.
Yeah, we can both.
We are opening the winner's box of Parkhurst Champions for PredsFan.
Let's do this. I want to help you out.
Yeah, help me out.
What we got in here?
Ahead, pull it.
It's one of those.
Sit right here.
I got it.
Got it. Yeah. Start this stack.
All right. These are gonna be fun.
There's some crazy cards in this.
Now this is true wax right here.
Oh yeah.
Yep. These are tougher to open too,
Yeah,
because they're so tall.
You split them in the top and then pull.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be careful not to jack up the cards. Woo! I got a mini. You know what's
Got a
that is?
mini
Yep.
as it falls out.
That's
I don't know what's what.
Those are
but
hits. Yeah, anything that's not that normal base.
Grant
so these two are
Fuhr.
hits then.
Yep.
So green is the.
Pass them this way, I'll make sure.
We got a Willie O'Ree.
Smart black player.
Yep.
That's
Yeah.
pretty
We
legit.
pulled his 101 art
I
card.
got
That's the art one we pulled.
Mark
The skate-
Messier lifts, hoists the Stanley Cup over his head. His teammates. It's what do they call that?
It's a wire photo or whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't say anything on the back what it's
called a wire photo, I think.
Wire
if
photo.
I
That's what we're
remember
gonna go with. Yari Curry and Messier.
Yeah, wire photo.
Terry O'Reilly.
Yeah, he said wire photo. Everybody else is calling
Terry
it out.
O'Reilly mini. That's a fun product.
It really
There's a
is. I
twister
like
there.
the small.
We got Stan Mikita.
There you go.
God, I'm opening a pack here, Preds. I'm getting the itch.
And the edge, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Mark Howe.
Corey's brother.
Yep.
I've got a Howie Morenz mini.
Wow.
These base I like. They're very
Got a
different.
wire photo
And
of Mike Bossy.
That is sweet.
And I have a wire photo of Red Kelly.
Look at the back of that card. That's pretty neat.
Isn't that crazy looking?
Very
Then we
fun.
got Steve Shoot maybe. I don't know. It might be pronounced a little different. Mini.
This one feels.
For my time, I didn't know the name offhand. So.
Andy Bathgate.
I've got a decoy in here. What's a decoy in this? It's a sweet card though. Bobby Clark, wire photo, cool looking one too.
Another mini of Steve Shoot.
And I have is it George's?
Mark Messier,
Vizina
wire
trophy?
photo.
I don't know.
Oops.
Yeah, no.
Vizina
My
mini.
bad.
Is that base? No, it wasn't. Never mind.
Redemption.
Oh, Redemption. That's auto. Oh, snap.
Redemption.
Oh, whoa! I didn't see
Whoa.
this. Some of these base cards.
That's auto, dude.
First
it's
you
auto.
have-
Yeah, we haven't had
oh,
any yet.
cool.
Yeah, Tim Kerr, auto.
That's cool.
That's all it says on
That's
here.
cool.
But
I don't know how
if you
that
look
is,
closely, I couldn't see it at first. Kind of blends in. It looks up much better on camera.
Wendell Clark.
Eddie Shore, mini. Oh yeah.
I think
Old
this is
time hockey right there.
These are 1 in 32 packs. I don't renditions of Bobby Orr.
Make sure
Black and white renditions. Bobby Orr.
you check the ones
Yeah,
I
yeah.
gave you.
Parkhurst Champions regular card autoed.
King Clancy.
Numbering. Stan Smile. SMY.
King Clancy, mini.
Oh.
Bunch cards going.
I just got the King Clancy.
Yeah, I got a Steve Shutt back to back. Shoot Shutt.
Stan
I
Smile.
think it's probably
No
Shutt.
numbering.
Steve,
Card
but
91. Regular auto.
I've never heard of his name before.
Interesting.
I've heard a lot of these, but I haven't heard that one before.
And that's still good on the redemption. So.
We got Parkhurst
Nice.
Champions renditions of Brett Hall.
Johnny Bauer.
And a Larry Robinson mini.
Terry O'Reilly,
And
mini.
Did you
renditions.
give her all the commons of that pack? too?
Bobby
Did you give her all the
Clark.
commons of that
Don't
pack?
yeah, he's not these ones.
It's like a painted card. It's really neat though.
It's a cool Gretzky card. It's an old photo.
What's that?
Right here, this one.
Stan
Oh, yeah.
Mikita.
Face,
cool.
but it pops.
Mr. Stan. Oh, some of these are different. I knew it.
Are they?
Yep. Different color back, I think.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh,
So,
Oh, right.
your Terry O'Reilly greenback
Right.
Daryl Sittler.
and
Mini
a
black
Steve
back.
Shutt greenback.
That's why I just had two of them.
King Clancy greenback.
Yeah, that's why we had multiples of them.
And Stan Mikita greenback. Sorry.
Thanks. There we go. We got it now, though. Loot. There we go. Cam Neely, blackback, mini.
gonna steal some.
All right,
That's the
so
last one we
Preds,
got.
congrats, got a couple autos, and you won the pack war.
Redemption.
Appreciate it, guys.
Make sure you fill that redemption too. So